Welcome to this video about the handling and operation of the multiFiltrate Pro within the treatment option Therapeutic Plasma Exchange. The multiFiltrate Pro device is intended for use in continuous renal replacement therapy and therapeutic plasma exchange. This video is divided into 8 parts to guide the user through the entire treatment. It offers an intuitive step-by-step instruction for an easy setup via a touchscreen-based interface, displays key information on the screen, and provides an integrated automated plasma volume calculator. Switch on the device with the on-off button. The software version and language will be displayed. Press the Start button to start the functional test. Select the TPE tab and then the treatment option TPE. Check if the requirements for TPE are fulfilled and confirm with the OK button. Open the blister of the cassette. Check the pre-connected parts for tight connections. Remove the white banderoles afterwards. Press the OK button to continue. Hang up the NaCl solution. Fix the plasma filter into the holder. Hang the unfolded cassette onto the holder pins of the device. Press the arrow button to continue. Insert the venous bubble catcher into the level detector, the return line in the optical and air detector, and in the occlusion clamp. Hang the empty bag on the infusion pole. Connect the return pressure line to the return pressure sensor. Connect the filter connector to the filter. Press the arrow button to continue. Place the positioner in the blood pump and close the pump door. Place the access pressure dome into the pressure measurement unit. Insert the access line in the occlusion clamp. Close the red clamp and connect the access line to the NaCl solution. Place the pre-filter pressure dome into the pressure measurement unit. Connect the filter connector to the filter. Press the arrow button to continue. Place the positioner in the filtrate pump and then close the pump door. Place the filtrate pressure dome into the pressure measurement unit. Insert the filtrate line in the blood leak detector. Connect the filter connection with the filter. Hang the filtrate bag on scales 3 and 4 and connect the filtrate line to the filtrate bag. Press the arrow button to continue. Place 1000 milliliters of NaCl solution on scale 1. Place the plasma bag holder on scale 2 if necessary. Press the arrow button to continue. Place the positioner in the substituate pump and close the door. Pull the heater bag downward into the heater and insert the line into the holder. Note the color markings. Pull the heater bag downward into the other heater and insert the line into the holder. Again, note the color markings. Connect the plasma line to the post-dilution connector above the venous bubble catcher. Close all clamps on the long end of the plasma line. Place the long end of the plasma line on the plasma bag holder. Connect the short end of the plasma line to a spike adapter and then to NaCl solution on scale 1. Press the arrow button to continue. If applicable, insert now the heparin syringe. Press the levers of the spring clip to move the stock to the lowest position. Connect the filled and air-free syringe to the heparin line. Place the heparin syringe between the barrel holders. The syringe wings must be positioned between the barrel holders and the bracket. Press on the levers of the spring clip to move the stock to the starting position. The thumb rest of the syringe plunger must be positioned between the jaws of the syringe clip. The heparin line will be filled automatically. Press the arrow button to continue. Check that all the components are correctly in place. Close all clamps not in use. Close the 2 clamps above the venous bubble catcher. Close clamp of the infusion port of the access line. Press the OK button to confirm. Make sure that heparinized NaCl solution is used according to the manufacturer's instructions. Open the red clamp at the NaCl bag and the white clamp on NaCl bag on scale 1. Press the Start button to start the filling of the tubing system. Rinsing starts automatically after the fill level in the venous bubble catcher was detected. The menu treatment parameters opens automatically. Check the preset treatment parameters and adjust them if necessary. Select the desired target volume to treat. If already determined, select the desired plasma rate for the planned treatment. With the start of the treatment, the plasma rate is automatically adjusted by the device step by step to the selected plasma rate to provide stable filtration conditions. Generally, the current program status of the ongoing procedure is displayed in the progress bar. It is possible to calculate the required plasma volume and to take over the value. Press button Menus in the menu bar. Select the menu option Plasma Calculator. Enter successively the plasma volume factor gender, height, weight, and hematocrit value of the patient, and confirm each with the OK button. The result is shown in the display field Calculated Plasma Volume. The calculated plasma volume can be adjusted via the input field Target Volume at any time if necessary. If applicable, connect a new bag of NaCl solution to start the UF rinse. Press the Start button to start the UF rinse. At the end of the UF rinse, a hookup test checks automatically the connected pressure monitors for correct positions and tightness. After the UF rinse is completed, the level in the venous bubble catcher will be set automatically and the blood pump will stop. A message appears automatically when UF rinse is completed. Press the Preparation button to prepare the filling of the plasma system. If necessary, de-aerate the plasma line manually with NaCl solution from scale 1 by opening and closing the clamps. Close clamp on NaCl solution on scale 1. Place at least 500 milliliters of plasma on scale 2 and connect it with the plasma line. Open the clamps on the plasma bag connection and break the cone if necessary. Enter the plasma volume which is actually opened. Press the Start button to fill the plasma system. The substituate pump delivers plasma in the plasma line with a predefined volume. The current status of the plasma filling is shown in the progress bar. The already delivered plasma volume as well as the remaining time for the plasma filling can be seen in the menu preparation. The pumps stop automatically after the plasma line is filled. If the patient is prepared for treatment, connect either only the access line or both patient lines simultaneously with the patient's access. Open the clamps and press the Start button to start the blood pump. A heparin bolus can be administered while the patient is connected if necessary. The blood pump will continue running until the optical detector detects blood. If not done yet, connect the return line to the patient. Press the Start button to begin the preparation of the plasma filtration. Beforehand, the hookup test is performed again after blood detection. The transition for the plasma filter conditioning takes place automatically and is divided into two phases. During the first phase, only the blood pump is active. The remaining blood volume is displayed. The second phase for the preparation of the plasma filter with plasma follows automatically. Therefore, now select the desired blood flow. If not already done, now adjust the plasma rate to the prescription. The substituate pump speed is automatically increased stepwise to continue the filter conditioning until the target plasma rate is reached. The treatment is in progress and the treatment screen is displayed. The remaining plasma volume is displayed. If not already done or if adjustments are necessary, the target volume can be entered or changed in the input field Target Volume. When a plasma bag needs to be changed, this information is displayed in advance in the progress bar and in the information area Next Operator Action. A message appears automatically on the screen when the plasma bag is empty. Press the Start button to open the Bag Change menu. Change plasma bags as follows. Close clamps on empty plasma bags and remove them one by one. Place new plasma bags on plasma bag holder on scale 2. Connect them to the plasma line. Open the clamps. Enter the new actually opened plasma volume. Press the Confirm button to return to the treatment screen and continue with the treatment. The tubing test scales checks whether the connection of the plasma bags are tight and the clamps are opened. The decisive pressures are shown on the left-hand side in the pressure display, including the TMP. Specific operator actions are immediately available via the Quick Access buttons on the screen. The treatment parameters can be changed directly in the menu Treatment or via the menu Treatment Parameters at any time. Different menu options are available at any time via the button Menus. This way it is, for example, possible to select manually a bag change, or to set manually a level in the venous bubble catcher via the rocker switch button. A message appears automatically on the screen when the heparin syringe is empty. Press the Start button to open the menu Change Syringe. Press on the levers of the spring clip and move the stock to the lowest position. Take out the empty syringe and disconnect it from the line. Connect a new filled and air-free heparin syringe to the heparin line. Place the syringe between the barrel holders. The syringe wings must be positioned between the barrel holders and the bracket. Ensure the correct position of the heparin syringe. Press on the levers of the spring clip to move the stock to the starting position. Press the Exit button to return to the menu screen and continue with the treatment. The current displayed screen changes automatically back to the treatment screen after a few minutes. If desired to return back immediately, press the menu button Treatment. If the required plasma volume to be exchanged is reached or the plasma has been completely exchanged, select Treatment End from the menu bar. Select Discard if the residual plasma in the plasma system should be discarded. Select Exchange if the residual plasma in the plasma system should be exchanged. After Exchange was selected, prepare the replacement of the residual plasma. Press the Stop button. The substitute pump will stop automatically. Make sure that at least 300 milliliters of NaCl solution is available on scale 1. Close the clamps and the plasma lines on scale 2. Open clamp of the NaCl solution on scale 1. Press the Start button to start the residual plasma exchange. The remaining plasma volume is displayed. If the volume is reached, a new message appears and the substitute pump stops. Press the Confirm button below Blood Reinfusion to reinfuse the blood. Press the Stop button to stop the blood pump. Disconnect the access line from the patient's access and connect it to an NaCl solution. Press the Start button to start the reinfusion. Blood reinfusion ends automatically as soon as the optical detector detects the NaCl solution. Press the Continue button to reinfuse a further 100 milliliters of NaCl solution if applicable. Press the Exit button to terminate the blood reinfusion. Disconnect the patient from the system. Press the Eject button to start the dismantling of the tubing system. Dismantle the tubing system and discard the consumables in compliance with the regulations of potentially contaminated materials. Switch the device off with a Switch Off button. We thank you for your kind attention paid to the user video about the handling and operation of the multiFiltrate Pro within the treatment option TPE. Fresenius Medical Care would like to support you with further trainings if desired.